bourré de talent. Alors, on va continuer avec l'interview. Maintenant, on va parler du EP, comme on dit en anglais, mini-album qui vient de sortir. Alors, Saskia, tell us about that mini-album debut.
So much to say about it. Okay, everybody. So, Debut is my first official EP. EP stands for Extended Play. It's just like a mini album, if you will. And it has 5 songs on there. One which I produced myself.
Nice. I love hearing stuff like that.
Come on, Haiti. So I wanted to give a diverse sound, on the EP. Because I am international. So
Say it loud. Say it loud.
Je suis international, okay? So I wanted to do something that would relate to everybody in some way, but definitely dedicated to my Haitian fans. So that's how EP came. The debut came about. It has 5 tracks on there. Hold On, which was produced by Super Duke. Big shout out to DJ Super Duke. Bataille, which was produced by Gert, a producer that I've been working with from Europe for some times now. And I have some other tracks on there, which is Touch My Body.
Quitte Malé.
And Quitte Malé. JMK instrumentals, and also OGE beats. So big shout out to everybody. And Jonathan Daniels, of course, for co-producing the album.
Yes. You have something on mind? No?
That?
Okay, look. Before we keep going with the EP, your artist name. Just tell us a little bit about that. Saskya Sky.
Saskya. Well, my first name is Saskya. It's my real name. It's Russian, but I'm Haitian. I don't know how it happened.
These Haitians
okay.
Always find a way.
Anyway, my mom. Je ne comprends pas.
Maybe you have like Russian descendants or something.
I don't think so. I mean, it wouldn't have been a problem at all, but I don't believe so. My mom told me to have different stories. One of them, she was reading a book and she saw the name that the girl really liked animals and all that stuff. And I guess she lived on a farm and stuff like that. So it made sense, And I actually hated that name growing up, because it's so difficult. Really? People have a really hard time pronouncing it.
Yeah, you're right.
I came from
I have a cousin named Saskia. What do you call it? Saskia. I was like, wait a minute.
Kiskeya. It's finally my high school teacher called me Sky, which is my nickname that all my friends call me. Aww. So then I'm like, you know what? I really like the name Sky because it makes my life easier. I'm not like Saskia, So I really like the name Sky, and I put them together, and they're like, boom.
Great job. I like
Perfect
it.
Match.
I like it.
No, it's a beautiful name. It's different. It's very unique. So when you were going into music, so you never thought about creating a name like a pseudo pour musical ou juste que je choisis non ça ou bien.
No, I never thought about changing my name like that parce que m'étais toujours qu'on un nom spécial, juste pas remel. I always thought it was like a special name. I just like that's one special name, but Saskia was always the option.